E-mini S&Ps open up the week moving lower, trading all the way down to 6,010 before turning things around and moving higher, going positive on the day and then some, closing out, falling just shy of 6,100 before closing out near 6,080. Now, E-mini S&Ps, while they have seen some peaks and valleys recently, are still just sitting less than 100 points from their all-time high. So the market remains elevated here, despite the fact that we've seen some back and forth trade. Ultimately today, seeing it open lower and then rallying higher and closing higher. Again, from Friday's close, seeing it close at 6,080 to start the week. Now, what does this mean for volatility? Well, as we've talked about, volatility moves inversely to the indices. So as we opened lower, we saw volatility firming. As we saw the markets rallying higher, we saw volatility come up and actually settle very near unchanged on the session. Lastly, let's talk about tomorrow. Tomorrow, a very important day. We do get the NFIB Small Business Index. That's not what I'm talking about. I am talking about is the Fed chairman giving his semi-annual testimony to the Senate tomorrow, and then on Wednesday, he'll follow that up with the House. But ultimately, that'll be the key for the week. We do have some inflation data coming out as well later this week and earnings, but ultimately that is the big event of the week, is hearing from the Fed chair. We haven't heard directly from him since the January FOMC press conference. Obviously, a lot has happened since then, including last week's jobs data. So it'll be very interesting to see if the Fed chair changes his tune or keeps the same talking points as he had after January FOMC, which was that the Fed would be patient and wait and see what the data brings as far as any future rate changes.